It's party season in New York City and there'll be plenty of hangovers to go with it. But if traditional remedies won't fix the problem now, there's another option. Dr. Jake Deutsch runs an urgent care clinic in Manhattan. He's treating a small but growing number of patients for hangovers using intravenous saline drips, if they can afford it.
You're going to be running around $200 US. So in terms of loss of productivity, in terms of the cost of not being able to make a meeting or not being able to do your normal day, people look at that as insignificant. But yes, of course there's a business aspect to it, but all medicine is business.
Although there's little good research supporting this kind of treatment, patients at this clinic, invited here for our cameras, seem convinced.
Honestly, I can't even remember feeling bad. Pretty much within 5 minutes of them putting it in, I felt great. I feel like I didn't drink at all last night.
Some people might say, actually, the answer is don't get so drunk that you get a hangover like that in the first place. What do you say to that?
Well, as a student, it's kind of unavoidable, I think. People are going to drink, I'm going to continue to drink, and I'm sure I'm going to get some more hangovers, so.
And that is what businesses across the country are banking on.
As well as clinics offering IV therapy in New York and Las Vegas, the service has popped up in Atlanta and Miami and Chicago too. And if you really can't get out of bed, as even doctors will do a house call for you.
But as more people try out the treatment, and with celebrities like Cara Delevingne and Rihanna Instagramming pictures of IV therapy, some doctors working for the US government are speaking out.
In my opinion, it should not be allowed, for the simple reason that there is not scientific evidence that suggests that such a treatment is effective. The concern with this approach is that doctors are treating a consequence of excessive alcohol use, but they are not addressing the underlying medical problem, which is the excessive alcohol use.
Hangover therapy may send a worrying public health message, but for some with money to spare, the temptation of a quick fix is hard to resist. Hannah Thomas-Peter, Sky News, New York.